Jack Dorsey just dropped something, and if you're using Hermes Agent or OpenClaw right now to run your AI team inside Slack or Discord, you need to see this. It's called Buzz, it's open source. It's built on something called Noster. And honestly, after testing it, I think it might make everything you're currently using to manage your AI agents completely obsolete. I'm not saying that lightly either. Let me show you why. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So here's the deal. Buzz is basically Jack Dorsey's version of Slack, except it's built from the ground up to let you chat with your teammates and specialized AI agents in one shared place. You've got channels, you've got rooms, you can comment on files, you can even comment directly on a shared video. It looks and feels exactly like Slack. But the entire thing is designed around one idea, and that idea is what if your AI agents just lived inside your team's workspace like they were actual employees? Now, here's where it gets interesting. If you've ever tried to set up something like Hermes Agent or OpenClaw, you know it can be a nightmare. You're messing with Docker, you're messing with config files, and half the time you're just sitting there for hours hoping it works. Buzz has a desktop app, and I'm telling you, that's the way to go. You open it up, you choose whether you want to use Claude Code or Codex, or honestly, you can install both. You don't even need an API key. You just sign in with your existing Claude or ChatGPT subscription, and you're basically ready to go in a couple of minutes. Compare that to trying to run this stuff manually through a terminal, which, by the way, after 22 minutes of trying that route, it still wasn't done. The app is just built better. And this is honestly the biggest deal here. One of the hardest things about tools like Hermes or OpenClaw is giving your actual team access to the AI you've set up. It's clunky, it's technical, and most people just don't bother. Buzz solves that. You create a community, you invite your team, and everyone in that workspace can now tag in an AI agent to get things done. So if you're running a business with even 2 or 3 people on your team, this alone changes how you work. Inside Buzz, you're not just talking to one generic, you get different agents, and each one has its own specialty. One's good at writing, one's good at researching, one's actually built to make things happen, like building out full projects. You can use the default agents or you can create your own from scratch and give it a custom purpose, its own environment variables, even control who on your team is allowed to talk to it. You can switch which model it runs onto, so you could have one agent running on Claude and another running on GPT 5.6 at the same time, inside the same workspace. Here's the part that really got me. I tagged in one of the agents and just said, come up with some content ideas for today. Within seconds, it had already gone through local files and came back with a full list of genuinely good ideas, video titles, thread ideas, blog post ideas, the whole thing. I told it to go ahead and write one out as a blog post, and it didn't just write it. It logged into WordPress, it formatted the entire post properly, and it published it as a draft, all without me manually connecting anything myself. It even opened up a browser using computer use to go check that the live link actually worked. That's not a chatbot answering questions. That's an agent doing an entire piece of real work, start to finish, inside a team chat. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. What a lot of people are currently using. With Hermes Agent or OpenClaw, you're often locked into a specific setup and you usually can bring your own Claude CLI subscription into it the same way. With Buzz, you can use your existing Claude Code or Codex subscription directly, no separate API costs, no extra billing. And if you happen to run out of usage on one, you just switch over to the other one and keep working. On top of that, it remembers context. You can literally ask it, have we run into this bug before? And it'll pull that up. You can branch conversations into new rooms. You can move rooms around. It's built with actual workflow in mind, not just a bot bolted onto a chat app. Now, it's not perfect. You do have to tag the agent in every single message, even in a reply, or it just won't respond. So there is a bit of a learning curve there. And when I tested it, publishing a blog post, the link it gave me first didn't actually work. Turned out that that was just a caching issue on my end. Not the tool's fault, but still, it's clearly early. This is a brand new open source project, so expect some rough edges. But for something this new, the fact that it already handled a real end-to-end task like publishing a blog post is honestly impressive. Here's the bigger picture. If you're running any kind of business online right now, whether it's e-commerce, content, coaching, whatever it is, the winners over the next year are going to be the people who figure out how to actually put AI agents to work inside their day-to-day operations, not just use ChatGPT to write a caption every now and then. Buzz is one of the first tools I've seen that makes that genuinely easy to set up for an entire team, not just for one person messing around on their laptop. And it's free and open source, which means it's only going to get better from here as more people start building on top of it. So if you've got a team, even a small one, and you're looking at Hermes Agent or OpenClaw and thinking there's got to be an easier way to give everyone access to AI, this is worth testing today. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.